We've got 4 chickens.
Yours. I'm just gonna pet one of your chickens if I can.
Sometimes they sit in the trees. They like eating corn seeds.
Chickens!
Sometimes they eat out of our hands.
Good girls.
Hey guys, come on to me.
Oh, yes. Come on, you guys.
My cat is called Mabel. Chickens lay their eggs in a special house.
Oh, 3.
Today there are 3 eggs.
She starts to lay the egg.
Every day we collect the eggs.
Got 3 more eggs. Oh, see, I put them back in.
My brother cooks the eggs.
When they turn white, that's usually when they're cooked. Come for some eggs too. Depends how they like them. I reckon we'll put them on like that. So. Come on guys, dinner's ready.
Yum. Yum.
Yum.
I love eggs. Fried eggs.
It's yum. Bye.